Hey everyone! Welcome to Thrive on Less, your spot for smart money tips. With prices rising in 2025, saving is a must for every American. Whether you're a student, parent, or on a tight budget, these 5 money-saving hacks will help you keep more cash. Let's dive in. Subscribe for weekly tips. Hack 1. Cashback apps. Don't pay full price. Apps like Rakuten and Ibotta give cash back on groceries, clothes, even travel. They paid out billions last year. Download one, shop through their links, and save 5 to 10% instantly. Check for holiday double cashback deals. Hack 2. Budget meal prepping. Eating out costs Americans $4,000 a year. Plan a week of meals for under $50 using staples like rice or beans. Apps like Flip find local grocery deals, making it easy for families or anyone on a budget. Hack 3. Thrift store shopping. Local thrift stores or apps like Poshmark offer clothes and furniture for up to 70% less. It's affordable, sustainable, and helps everyone access quality items, no matter their income. Hack 4. High-yield savings accounts. Traditional savings accounts often yield minimal returns. Consider high-yield accounts that offer substantial growth potential. Your $1,000 could see significant gains, helping your money grow faster. Hack 5. Try a no-spend challenge. Pick 1 week a month to skip non-essential spending. Cook from your pantry, avoid coffee shops, and use free activities like libraries. This can save $50 to $100 a month. There you go. 5 money-saving hacks to make 2025 your year of savings. Which hack are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more ways to save big. Thanks for watching. See you next time.